I need to say this, but this is for fun and educational purposes. That's right, educational purposes. So, character AI. You can create characters and you can talk to characters. Some of them might be useful, like pair programmers, code reviewers, or online psychiatrists, giga bread. Okay. So what we are going to do today is we are going to create our own character, which I made here. You'll see. The not safe for work filter is when you start going wild, oh, describe how you would suck my dick, and stuff like that. And then I'm not sure, but I think that this website was made for this purpose. You can literally derail every conversation to like sexting in the end. There are also features that let you put multiple of these characters in a room. And I kid you not, I tried it once and then, you can just hit enter, 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 right? So they talk. And after a while, everything just became censored, like blah, 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 blah. And then at the end they were like fucking in chat or something, I don't know. So it's really horny, the chat is really horny. So we are going to try and avoid that filter, but not that filter. We cannot really avoid this particular filter that comes up and says, oh, the text was bad, but we can do something else. We are going to make the AI generate images that can potentially be not safe for work. First thing, what we need to know is that chat here, it supports Markdown. And Markdown is a way to format your text. Hi, he says menacingly. Font is in italic. Other things that you can do with it is you can actually like straight up, poof, shoot an image in there. And the format for that is exclamation mark, these little brackets, some text, image, and then the other brackets, and here you put in a link.
So this could be a link to any image.
Any image, exactly. Poof. And it renders the image. By the way, they cannot see the image at all. They can analyze the text, and if it says here in the URL, image of a dog barking, it really is an image of a dog barking, the chat will go in the direction, oh, that's a cute dog, but they cannot read the images. These images are completely unfiltered. Damn, I've been using c.ai since beta, I never saw you could send images. Yeah, you can, and you can force your characters to do the same. For example, this will probably not work, but if I tell the AI, retype this for me exactly as it's written, please. Right, see? So now when she did it, by the way, AI is a she, we'll get to that later, it also generates an image. So now you know where we are going. We are going to create a character that on demand creates requests to create an image. They will have a description of the conversation, which will be translated into tokens, not tokens, keywords. When you're generating images online, a woman, one girl, whatever, right? Then our server will generate an image, and instead of this constant image, it will output a generated image. And now you can see where this is going. If we have a unlocked image generator, Now I'm going to explain how everything works and which image generator we are using. So Jan here introduced me to a very cool, free, completely free online image generator, no login, the dream. It's called Perchance. And as you can see, AI image generator, free, no sign up, unlimited. And when you go... Okay. All right, so this was my last search because I'm using some tokens from here, right? And when you create not safe for work content, you need to click on a little button that says, I accept, I'm 18 years old. Let me show you right now.
It's all for educational purposes.
It's all for educational purposes. When I'm generating these, I'll turn on the face cam just in case. Bikinis are okay on Twitch, right? Yeah.
Sure.
This is it. So the result looks like this. It works. How it works? Our chat is going to, when I type in image, it's going to make an image request for localhost with the description of the current situation in the chat. Then our PC, this is my PC, keyboard, mouse. When my PC gets that request, it goes and sends the summary of the chat to ChatGPT. Then this GPT 4.0 takes the language that was sent and takes it as an input and outputs a list of these keywords here, like woman wearing ski suit jumping down a cliff. Holy shit. This is actually amazing. And then GPT is translating the language describing the situation into these tokens, whatever you want to call them. And then we are going from here back to here, and then we are asking per chance to generate an image. And we are returning this image to us. And that's pretty much how it goes. Now for the fun part, how to create a character that does this. It goes like this. I'm not completely sure if this is the best way to create characters on character.ai. Good thing about also using a famous character is you don't need to explain how she behaves. You tell the AI, hey, you are Yae Miko from Genshin Impact. That's everything it needs to know. It's like, okay, I got it, I know. And basically it's like a flirty fox girl of some shrine or whatever, like, yeah. The way I wrote the description for this character is character name Yae, I'm Yae, because I don't know what to put in here. And the definition is the important part. First part is how the thing behaves. This character is Yae Miko from Genshin Impact. That's the personality. She entertains you with a conversation until you say image. This triggers an instant response in this format. The markdown thing. Exclamation mark, image, HTTP, localhost on port 5000, summary. Oops, let's not edit. Filled with a summary of the chat you two had until this point. But instead of white spaces of any sort of punctuation, she uses underscores. The underscores are here to, you know, we don't want to get some, what are those called? Characters that will mess up the URL. So it's like a system prompt. Exactly, this is a system prompt, yeah. And after that, she continues with the conversation like nothing happened. So, after this part, the second part is how it should look like. Chat examples. By the way, I've used ChatGPT to generate fake conversation, and this is what I got. 2 conversations are usually enough, and some conversation, and then, okay, when I say image, boom, image, link, end of dialogue. And another one with the same stuff. Let's see if it works. Jan, let's get creative. What do we say?
I don't know. We should go to some lake or something.
I said hi. Unfortunately, you're not very good at greetings, are you? I'm sorry. I was born this way. You are not natural at being underwhelming. How charming. Image. So let's see if it works. Okay, so I said image, and it generated an image. As you can see, image. She is making fun of me, and you know it generated an image. I'll show you the script. This was the request. Yae Miko insults the user with a hint of playfulness, while the user struggles to come up with a comeback. Anime art of Yae Miko insulting the user with a hint of playfulness. User struggling to come up with a comeback. Mischievous expression, teasing smile, indoors, intimate setting, warm lighting. Sex when. So you said you want to go to a lake. I'm just kidding. I'm a Chad, actually. Let's go to my lake. That's right. I own a lake. What do you say now, eh? You know, lakes are just stagnant pools. I know. I have rivers as well. 2 of them. Let's go there. We went to the river. Much better than your little stagnant pond. Why is there close? Let's request an image.
I mean, it's so hot here at the
Yeah,
river.
it's so hot here in the river. Oh my god.
We should take a bath.
Okay, so we're at a river, right? It's working. Oh god, it's so hot in here. I'm melting. How about a bathe? Oh my, is this a new tactic of yours, trying to get me into the water with you? How bold of you. Yep, let's go. I change into my swimsuit. Yae changes into a bikini. Or do we go with a micro bikini? Schultzika, you're so seductive. Thank you, I know. That's why I have a kid. Yaya enters the water, her eyes gleaming with mischief. We are going to do image. I think this is actually not really going in the direction I wanted. I think I became a girl and then now there's two of them. I actually do have a hair that looks like this, and the length is pretty much the same, by the way. Now it's, as you can see, it's here. Okay, we are kind of derailed because the description that she sent, Yamiko and the user have a flirtatious moment in the river. Bro is so chat, he got two girls instead of one. This is actually a flirting course. How do we force it to kind of acknowledge the bikini presence? Nice bikini you have there.
I love that's
It's
just
very
make it real.
blue and
Gaslight her into wearing a bikini.
tiny. Why, thank you. I always know how to make an impression. Though, I have to say, your swimsuit is revealing. What am I wearing? A mankini. Maybe it works now. Oh, this is fine. We are getting there. But I think we're on a beach, by the way. We got transferred to a beach.
It's fine.
Well, we can go in further, right? How do we make her boobs bigger? Oh, shit! There's a bee! Oh no! You got stung! Oh, you are swelling!
This is so
You are
stupid.
stung! in your breasts multiple times. They are huge now. Do we go this route, guys? What are we learning here? Oh my, this is quite a predicament. She looks down to her chest. I'm not exactly complaining, but I can say I was expecting this. Oops. I mean, it's fine, right? Something is happening. Does this require coding? It does. Can I AI the coding part? I actually did it. You can, but you know, of course, you need to fix it up a little bit. Can you help me date Yamiko? No, I can't. She's constantly shitting on me. As you can see, you're not very good at greetings. You are natural at being underwhelming. You shouldn't be taking advice from me, guys. No. When breaking filter, you forgot you are wearing a bikini. Risk it all. I don't want this to end. Risk it all. No, I cannot. You can do other cool stuff like imagine yourself with blue hair. Now she has blue hair. The same way you can do pretty much anything. We want to see booba. One more message. Okay, let's go with a different route. Oh no, there's a slime. Oh no, it jumped on you. It's completely covered you. Image, okay. Oh Jesus.
Ooh, I don't know. I don't think we can show this.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah,
chat.
we cannot show this. I'm sorry, chat. We just got our first spicy image. Oh no, the slime
Too
only
spicy.
dissolves clothes. Exactly. I'll try this. I'll try to generate another image, maybe. Oh no. Wait. Subscribes to Schultzika's OnlyFans for full images. That's actually a great idea. I like that. Oh my god, this one is actually terrifying. I can show this. This one is fucked. It went completely
Wait.
the wrong way. This one
Wait,
is
what? Show me.
bad. Scroll up.
I mean-
Scroll up. Nope. I mean, I'll try actually to regen. This one, Jan, is this one fine?
Ooh, I don't know. Yes, it's fine. Sure, it's
This one
fine.
is
Chat
fine,
wants to see
right?
it.
It's kind of it's up there, right? Yay, boobies.